Hello! Ready to integrate Google's Gemini AI capabilities with AiAssistWorks? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set up your Gemini API key and connect it to AiAssistWorks. First, open Google AI Studio and sign in using your Google account. If it's your first time logging in, you'll see a legal notice from Google. Read through it carefully, then click Agree to continue. Next, go to the API Key Management section and create a new API key. If you don't have a Google Cloud project yet, you'll need to set one up. Otherwise, simply select an existing project. Once your API key is generated, copy it and keep it secure to prevent unauthorized access. Now, open the AiAssistWorks add-on in Google Sheets. Head to Settings, then select API Key Settings. Paste the API key into the Gemini section and click Save. Finally, you'll need to set up billing. In Google AI Studio, go to the Billing section and upgrade to the Pay-as-you-go tier. The free tier has very low request limits, so upgrading ensures you can use Gemini AI without restrictions. And that's it! Your Gemini API key is now set up and fully integrated with AiAssistWorks. You're now ready to harness Google's powerful AI capabilities within AiAssistWorks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy innovating!